Hey, Jeremiah, Steps Pressure Washing and More. We're out here in beautiful Cary, North Carolina today. Going to be washing this house right here behind me. And we are going to be doing the gutters all along the front, going around doing the gutters in the back. Coming out here doing the driveway. We're going to be doing the sidewalks in front and the back. And then we're going to be doing the deck around back. While we're here, we're also going to be doing this house right next door. So hang tight. Let's get to washing. I went ahead and put my sunscreen on. I put sunscreen on every single day. And pro tip, if you put a little glob up here in your ear, your wife will know that you put sunscreen on. Alright, so hang tight. Let's wash this thing. Alright, so far these are the only gutters that need attention. These are all right in front of the front door. They are completely full and look like they are sagging. So we're going to go ahead and get them cleaned up and let the customer know that they're going to need to probably remount these or just leave them as is, maybe put a gutter guard on them. All the other gutter guards were clear and flowing, so no issue there. Alright, just clean this out by hand. Everything's going in the bucket. Try not to make too much of a mess down there. We are also cleaning that sidewalk today, so. Alright, this is medium pressure using the X-Jet. We're not doing high pressure on this today, it is not needed. So here's your before and after. Coming out very well so far. Alrighty, so I'm about to wrap up here on house number 1. Just got done doing house wash. Looking at that beautiful driveway and sidewalk. Came out phenomenal. You can still see the sign, still see the lines a little bit, but hey, I'm not going to argue with it. It was black when we got here, and it looks phenomenal. Alright, I'm going to roll up these hoses and head over to house number 2. Alrighty, last house of the day. There's that deck we just finished up. Alright. Got a Trex deck here. We're not touching that today. I'm going to be doing a quick rinse down on it. Make sure we don't do any damage. We're going to clean these gutters off. Get all this siding cleaned. And then we're done. Alright, hang out, we'll see how it comes out. Alright, we were washing this down with our normal 1% mix. There's our house wash. We wash everything at 1%. And we do achieve that 1% ratio by diluting our 15% mix and then running it through our downstream injector, diluting it once more. In order to find out what your draw ratio is, you should do a bucket test like I did. And we use this M5DS, which is downstream twist nozzle. And that gives us the low pressure needed to activate the downstream injector. And then we switch over to the X-Jet M5 twist to put enough back pressure to stop the downstream injector from pulling soap. so that we can then rinse. Been some time since this one was washed. The process is the same. 1% house wash. 5 to 10 minutes flow. Rinse with medium pressure. Alright, so that's going to do it here. Got a nice clean house. Did not clean the Trex deck per the customer's request. But got the gutters down. I'm happy and they're happy. Alright, well that's going to do it for me, guys. Y'all be safe out there.